runway 10 and landing runway 28. Instruction crane NOTAMs available from Denver radio. Inform ground control of your ramp area and direction of flight on initial call. Also, advise ground control when your run-up is complete. Advise on initial contact you have Oscar.
Okay, you can slowly descend to 7,800 feet. Centennial Tower, Skyfighter flight approaching the Pinery with Oscar for initial overhead 28.
Skyfighter flight, Centennial Tower, report 90 to the initial 3 southeast for runway 28.
Skyfighter flight. Aim right for those green buildings that are just a little right to your nose, of your nose, Bill.
Wind 210 at 6. Cessna 02 Foxtrot, turn right at Charlie 2 ground point 8, leaving the runway. Cessna 872, runway 17 left, cleared line, will have 1 departure prior to landing at Cherokee.
Okay, level at 7,800.
872, flight on the left. Cherokee 8450 Bravo, Centennial Tower, runway 17 left, taxi in position and hold.
Position and hold for Cherokee 50 Bravo.
Cessna 13884, Centennial Tower, runway 10, clear for takeoff, eastbound approved.
884, clear to take off eastbound.
Citation 2 Juliet Alpha, turn left at Alpha 6, ground point 8 off the runway, good day. Cessna 2413 X-ray, Centennial Tower, runway 10, taxi in position and hold.
Roger, taxi and hold.
You can start a slow descent to 7,300.
Over the power line, Cessna, the end of the approach, just east of the approach course now.
Hey, Quebec Charlie, looking for traffic.
949er traffic heading to right, mile and a half, Cessna departed 17 left, southeastbound.
Slowly, you got a wing, man.
Cherokee 50 Bravo, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff, fly straight out.
Cherokee 50 Bravo, clear to go 17 left and then straight out.
Cessna 949er, break off the approach at Lincoln Avenue, enter left downwind 417, Cherokee departing 17 left, will be straight out.
949er, welcome.
3 Sierra Pop, Spire line. That's 3 Sierra Pop, continue left downwind, traffic's a Cessna, departed 17 left southeastbound, should be about a mile, make that 2 miles southeast. And additional traffic will be departing runway 102 aircraft eastbound.
3 Sierra Pop, have both in sight, plus I have someone ahead of me a little bit to my
Come
left.
10 degrees right, Bill. 10 degrees right.
Before takeoff.
Roger, 13 X-ray rolling.
Cessna 817, make disregard.
That's good.
Centennial Tower, Cessna 65312 with information, Oscar over the Aurora Reservoir for landing.
Cessna 65312, Centennial Tower, enter left base, runway 17 left, report over Parker Road.
312, report over Parker Road for left face for 17 left.
Okay, Bill, I have it. We're going to get him to come in close now.
No factor now. Cessna 3 Sierra Papa, do you see Cessna traffic about a half mile ahead on the downwind?
3 Sierra Pop, affirmative.
3 Sierra Papa, follow that Cessna to runway 17 left. 2 aircraft departed runway 10 eastbound, one's a mile out, the other just got airborne.
Have them in traffic, I'll follow the other Cessna.
949er, stay close in on your downwind. The second departure off 10 is at the departure end now.
949er in sight.
Centennial Tower, Twin Cessna 72 Juliet, turning left base for 28 left, 228.
Cessna 72 Juliet, ident.
He's right on our left wing here if you look back, Bill, in close formation.
Ident on 1200.
That's correct. Twin Cessna 72 Juliet, continue on base leg. Traffic straight ahead, actually at your 1 o'clock mile and a half, the Cessna eastbound, and one at your 11 o'clock, a Cessna departed runway 10 eastbound also. Cessna 13 X-ray traffic about your 2:30 to 3 o'clock, so Twin Cessna on base 4 runway 28, make a left turn. Twin Cessna 72 Juliet, the second departure appears to be your 12 o'clock a half mile, and he's making a left turn to the northeast.
Okay, now, so what do you want me to do?
Turn final for runway 28.
Are we cleared to land runway 28?
Twin Cessna 72 Juliet, runway 28, cleared to land.
72 Juliet, cleared to land, runway 28.
Cessna 949er, runway 17 left, cleared to land.
949er, cleared to land.
872, ground point 8, good day.
Skyfighter flight turning initial 28.
Skyfighter flight, traffic's a Twin Cessna, 1 mile final for runway 28. Make left turns, brake at the numbers, runway 28, cleared overhead approach.
Understand, left brake.
That is correct.
Skyfighter flight.
Cherokee 50 Bravo, how do we look for that northwest turn? Tower Cherokee 50 Bravo, how do we look for that
3 Sierra Pop, extend downwind, I'll call your base traffic to depart between you and the traffic on base.
3 Sierra Pop, extending downwind.
Wind check 210 at 5.
Tower Cherokee 50 Bravo, over.
Cherokee 50 Bravo, right turn approved.
We're going to be making a left break, so I had to get him over to that wing.
Centennial Tower, Cessna 65312 at Parker and Arapahoe Road for 17 left.
Who's at Parker Road for 17, is that 312?
312, yes sir.
312, number 2 for 17 left. Angle to your right to follow Cessna, about your 1 o'clock in a mile on downwind turning base.
312, I'll angle and I'm looking for the traffic.
Doubler 64 Tango Alpha, Centennial Tower 17 left, taxi into position and hold, be ready to go.
Roger, 64 Tango Alpha into position. We'll need a few seconds for the turbos.
Roger.
Okay, here we go.
50 Bravo, request frequency change.
50 Bravo, frequency change approved.
50 Bravo, good day.
Cessna 72 Juliet, turn right at the in-ground point 8.
72, Juliet, roger.
Basically, we do everything you're taught not to do, Bill.
To land. Just 9 turn left at L4, ground point 8. Doubler 4 Tango Alpha, Cessna turning a mile and a half final, and be just a moment. That's 3 Sierra Papa, Traveler in position for 17 left departure.
3 Sierra Pop, I see him.
Traveler 64 Tango Alpha, running 17 left clear for takeoff, fly straight out.
Straight out for 64 Tango.
Wind check 200 at 5. Cessna 312, number 2, runner 17 left, clear to land your traffic now on a 1 mile final.
312, cleared to land 17 left, I have that traffic in sight.